Good morning, students. Welcome TPGT students. Now we discuss about second part of EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller. Already we discussed futures and IO pins. Now we discussed pin description summary. Pin type, name and function. VSS is the input type of ground, 0 volt reference. VCC input type power supply. This is the power supply voltage for normal, idle and power down operation. Next, pin port 0.02, port 0.7, IO pins, input output pins. Port 0 is an open drain bidirectional IO port. Port 0 is also the multiplexed low order address and data bus during access to external program and data memory. Port 1.0 to port 1.7 IO pins. Port 1 is an 8-bit bidirectional input output port. Port 2.0 to port 2.7 IO input output. Port 2 is an 8-bit bidirectional input output. Port 2 emits the higher order address byte during fetches from external program memory and during access to external data memory that use 16-bit address. Port 3.0 to port 3.7 IO pins, input output pins. Port 3 is an 8-bit bidirectional input output port. Port 3 also serves special features as explained. Next, RST pin type is the input pin. Function name reset. A eye on this pin for 2 machine cycles while the oscillator is running resets the device, that is completely relieved from any work. Address latch enable ALE. This is the output pin. Output pulse for latching the low byte of the address during an access to external memory. Next, PSEN is the output type pin. Program store enable the read strobe to external program memory when executing code from the external program memory. PSEN is activated twice each machine cycle except that 2 PSEN activations are skipped during each access to external data memory. EA or VPP. EA is the external access enable. VPP is the programming supply voltage. This is the input type. This pin also receives the programming supply voltage VPP during flash programming, that is applies for 89C 5X microcontroller units. General block diagram of AT51. In general block diagram of AT51, interrupt control, 4 kilobyte ROM, 128 byte ROM, timer 0, timer 1, central processing unit, oscillator, bus control, 4 IO ports, serial port are shown in diagram. In 4 IO ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. In serial port, transmitting and received. We can see in here this central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the microcontroller, reading user programs and executing the expected task as per instructions stored therein. Its primary elements are an accumulator, B register, stack pointer, program counter, program status word, data pointer register, and few more 8-bit registers. Accumulator. Accumulator performs arithmetic and logic functions on 8-bit input variable. Arithmetic operations include basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Logical operations are AND, OR, XOR, as well as rotate, clear, complement, etc. B register. B register is used in multiply and divide operational. During execution, B register either keeps one of the two inputs and then returns a portion of the result. Stack pointer. The stack pointer is an 8-bit register. The stack pointer may be placed in anywhere in the on-chip random access memory, but normally stack pointer is initialized to 07H after a divide device reset and groups up from the location 08H. The stack pointer is automatically incremented or decremented for all push or pop instructions and for all subroutine calls and returns. Program counter. This program counter is the 16-bit register giving address of next instruction to be executed during program execution, and it always points to the program memory space. Data pointer register is the 16-bit addressing register that can be used to fetch any 8-bit data from the data memory space. When it is not being used for this purpose, it can be used as two 8-bit register, data pointer high and data pointer low. So here port 0 drivers, port 2 drivers, RAM, RAM register, RAM, port 0, port 2 latch, read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory. Next, program address register, buffer, program counter. Next, program counter incrementer, data pointer register, B register, accumulator, temporary register 1 and 2, arithmetic and logic unit already told. The special function registers, program status word, port 1 latch, port 3 latch, timing and control unit, instruction register. Here we connect program store enable, address latch enable or programming bar, external access bar, BPP, reset, oscillator connected, crystal 1 and crystal 2. We program status word also we told. 8051 memory structure. Here we have external program memory. This is can be used. External program memory is the 60 kilobyte. Program memory, external access 0, external access 1. External access equal to 1 means internal memory, that is 4 kilobyte memory. Totally external memory have 64 kilobyte memory. External access equal to 0 means external memory used. 128 data memory is special function register. External memory totally 64 kilobyte memory. Internal RAM structures, direct addressing only, special function registers, SFR, direct and indirect addressing modes, 128 byte internal random access memory we can use. Special function register. What are all the special function register we can discuss about? First one, port 0, address is 880, stack pointer 81, data pointer low 82, data pointer high 83, program control 87, timer control 88, timer mode register 89, timer low 0, timer low 1, 8A, 8B is the address. Timer I0, timer I1, 8C, 8D. Next, F0 is the B register, E0 is the accumulator, D0 is the address program status word, D8 is the IP instruction pointer, B0 is the P3 port 3, A8 is the interrupt enable, A0 is the port 2, 99 is the serial buffer, 98 is the serial control, 90 is the P1 special function register and address. SFR register and their addresses. For example, we can see move E0H hexadecimal, comma immediate data 55H is the same as move A, comma 55H hash 55H, which means load 55H into A, that is A equal to 55H. Move 0F0, comma 25H hash 25H. Next, move B, comma hash 25H is the same as, which means load 25H into B. Move 0E0, comma R2, move a comma r2 is the same as which means copy r2 into accumulator. Move 0 f0 comma r0, move r0 comma b is the same as which means copy r0 into b. Program status word we can discuss about. Here we have flags. Flag register also called program status word. Here carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, user flag 0, user flag 1, overflow flag, parity flag. Here RS 0 and RS 1 used. Register bank select. 00 means register bank 0, 01 means register bank 1, 10 means register bank 2, 03 means register bank 3. 8051 instructions that affects flag. Instruction carry, overflow flag, auxiliary carry flag. We can here see about add with carry, subtraction with borrow, multiplication, division, rotate, set B, C, clear C, complement C, and C comma bit, and C comma bit, or C comma bit, or C comma bit, move C comma bit, compare, jump not equal. We can see here the flag affects multiplication and division, carry will be 0. In set B, carry flag will be 1. Clear C, carry flag will be 0. Otherwise, don't care condition affect. Next, 128 byte RAM. There are 128 bytes of RAM in the 8051 random access memory. Assign address 00 to 7FH. This is the 128 byte internal RAM. The 128 bytes are divided into 3 different groups as follows. A total of 32 bytes from location 002 to 1FX decimal are set aside for register banks and the stack. Register bank. There are 4 register bank 0, register bank 1, register bank 2, register bank 3. A total 16 bytes from locations 20H to 2FH are set aside for bit addressable read or write memory. Bit addressable area. A total of 80 bytes from locations 30H to 7FH are used for read and write storage called scratch pad. This is the general purpose area. 8051 RAM random access memory with address 00207 register bank 0, 082 register bank 1 stack, 10217 register bank 2, 182 1F register bank 3, 202 2F bit addressable random access memory, 302 7F scratch pad RAM. Register bank structure. Bank 0, bank 1, bank 2, bank 3. They are all having R02, R7. That is 8-bit register. Register banks with address. Register bank 0, 002, 07, R02, R7. Register bank 1, 082, 0F, R02, R7. Register bank 2, 102, 17, R02, R7. Register bank 3, 182, 1F. Register bank 02, register 7. 8051 programming model. Here A register, B register, instruction pointer register, interrupt enable register, timer mode register, timer control register. They are timer control register. Interrupt registers are interrupt point register, interrupt enable register. Next, timer I0 counter, timer low 0 counter, timer I1 counter, timer low 1 counter. They are timer or counter register. In serial control register, serial buffer register or serial data register, and also program control register, program status word register. This is the flag register. Stack pointer register. Next, bit addressable for this RAM area only. Internal RAM byte address. register bank 0 002 07.